I've always wanted to achieve at the highest level of achievement in orthodontics. I just didn't know where to get started until I discovered Mastery Academy and its preparatory program for the M.Eth. Orth examination of the RCS. Now, the orthodontic community at the Royal College of Surgeons, Edinburgh, is distinct, and I gained the skills I needed to clinically apply evidence-based orthodontics in ways others would have only thought of. And with their help and with guidance from the Mastery Academy, I successfully passed the M.Orth examination by the RCS. Now, passing the M.Orth exam pushed my career, my concepts, my perspective, and my passion. I am happy for being an orthodontist who gives my patients satisfaction and my employers acknowledgments.